Good morning, students. Yesterday we was revising force and laws of motion. So let's proceed forward. Now we will start with Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that a body continues to be in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is acted upon by an external force. For example, you take a glass and suppose this is a glass and on this glass keep one postcard and upon the postcard you keep a coin. When you hit the postcard, the coin will not fly off, just it enter inside the glass tumbler, means the coin was at rest. It will try to remain at rest. But in spite the force is applied on the postcard fly off, but the coin again tried to be at rest and so it has not got the base, it get inserted inside the glass. So any object which is moving, it will try to remain in motion, or if it is at rest, it will try to remain at rest unless some external force is applied on it. So when this force, Newton's first law was recognized, there one new word has came, that is inertia. Inertia is the inherent property of the body by virtue of it opposes any changes in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. Inertia is also the mass of a body is measure of inertia. How we can say the mass of body is measure of inertia? Suppose we have taken a two stone. One stone is of 5 kg and another stone is of 25 kg. And we are applying force on first stone which is 5 kg, that is 10 Newton force. And same force if we will apply on 25 kg stone, then you will find that 5 kg stone may move, but 25 kg stone, it does not even move any further its distance. Even it will remain at its own position, it will not even vibrate also. So here what? We are applying force to both this, but as 25 kg is greater, more force is required to move this stone and 5 kg is less, so less force is required to move this stone. That means mass of a body is measure of inertia. If mass is more, inertia will be more. Mass is less, inertia will be less. This inertia is of three types. Inertia of rest means any body at rest tends to remain at rest. So inertia of rest, very good example, you can say that whenever we are brooming our floors, so we are having a doormat or carpet, we are taking a carpet and just beating like this, the dust comes out. Why we are beating like this? Here what happens? Everything is at rest, dust particle is also at rest. When you apply force on this carpet, the carpet moves but the dust particle is not getting any place. So what? It will fall down. So all the dust is coming downwards. When we, like this, we are just cleaning a carpet. Suppose we have to take out the ripened guava or you can say apple. What we are doing? That we are just shaking the branch of a tree. When we shake the branch of the tree moves, but the fruits will try to remain at rest, and so as it is moving, this fruit will comes down. So like this we are just getting the guava, or like that if we are not able to go on the tree or climb on the tree. Next to come inertia of motion. Inertia of motion is nothing but any body will try to remain in its motion in straight line if No external force is applied on that body. So here what happens that suppose bus is moving and we are standing on a bus. Our legs which is in contact at the base of the bus is moving, body is also moving. Suddenly the brakes applied. So here what happens? So as suddenly the brakes applied, the feet, the leg which is in touch of the base of the bus, that stops, but the body is even now it is moving, so we fall forward. This is nothing but inertia of motion. So there are many examples we will discuss. Then there is inertia of direction. So inertia of direction, even that the body, if it is changing it in direction. So here again what happens that if suppose we are sitting on the car. As we are sitting on a car, the feet is with just on the base of the car take turns. As the car changes its direction, our feet is changing the direction, but the body is moving forward. So here what our body also try to remain forward, but as the feet taking the changing the direction, body takes jerks and then we are doing like this or like this. That means that is nothing but the inertia of direction. So students, today we have completed our Newton's first law of motion. Next class we will revise momentum and Newton's second law of motion with examples. Okay.